Creating a stylish and functional space in a small room is an art in itself. Limited square footage doesn't mean limited creativity. In fact, small rooms offer unique opportunities to explore innovative designs that combine aesthetics with practicality. With the right approach, even the tiniest spaces can be transformed into inviting, practical, and visually stunning havens. From clever furniture arrangements to unexpected decorative tricks, there's no shortage of possibilities to make your small room truly shine. In this video, we'll share actionable tips and fresh ideas to give your small room a big makeover. Whether you're redesigning a bedroom, living space, or home office, we'll help you maximize every inch without sacrificing style. Ready to unlock the potential of your small room? Let's dive in. Furniture is the cornerstone of any room design, and this is especially true for small spaces. Choosing the right pieces can mean the difference between a cramped area and a functional, airy retreat. Start by prioritizing multifunctional furniture. Think sofa beds, which effortlessly transition between lounging and sleeping, or ottomans with hidden storage compartments that can double as seating or a coffee table. Foldable or extendable tables are invaluable for rooms that serve multiple purposes, such as a living room that doubles as a dining area or a study that occasionally hosts guests. Don't overlook vertical space. Tall bookshelves, wall-mounted cabinets, and floating shelves make excellent use of walls while leaving the floor uncluttered. Custom-built furniture tailored to your room's exact dimensions, like a snug window bench or a built-in desk, can maximize functionality in even the most awkward corners. For a visually open feel, opt for furniture with exposed legs. The added sense of space beneath chairs, sofas, or tables creates a breezy, uncluttered vibe. And remember, less is more. Fewer, well-chosen pieces can make your room feel larger and more organized without sacrificing functionality. If these small room makeover ideas inspired you to transform your space, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who's looking for big style in a small area. The right color palette and lighting can dramatically alter the perception of space in a small room. Start with light, neutral tones like whites, beiges, or soft pastels, which reflect light and create an open, airy atmosphere. If you love bold colors, don't shy away, just use them sparingly as accent walls or in decor to add personality without overwhelming the space. Mirrors are a small room's secret weapon. A strategically placed mirror can make your room look twice its actual size. Try positioning a large mirror opposite a window to amplify natural light and create the illusion of depth. When it comes to artificial lighting, layers are key. Combine overhead fixtures with wall sconces, table lamps, and floor lamps to eliminate shadows and brighten every corner. Consider dimmable lighting for added versatility, allowing you to set the mood for work, relaxation, or entertaining. Textures and finishes also play a role. Glossy or reflective surfaces, like glass and metallic accents, can enhance light and add sophistication to your small room. By thoughtfully blending color and lighting, you'll create a space that's as welcoming as it is visually expansive. Which makeover idea is your favorite for a small room? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're planning to redesign your space. In small rooms, storage isn't just about organization, it's a critical part of the design. Start with floating shelves to showcase books, plants, or decor without sacrificing floor space. Underbed storage bins or beds with built-in drawers are perfect for stashing seasonal clothing, spare linens, or other seldom-used items. Wall-mounted hooks and pegboards can turn otherwise empty walls into functional zones. Use them to hang bags, hats, or kitchen utensils, depending on the room's purpose. For dual-purpose furniture, consider a coffee table with hidden compartments or a wall-mounted drop-leaf table that folds away when not in use. Decluttering is another essential aspect. Small rooms feel larger when they're tidy and well-organized. Invest in storage solutions that hide the mess while keeping essentials within reach. Vertical storage units, baskets, and bins can help compartmentalize items, making your room feel both functional and serene. Want more home makeover inspiration? Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you're the first to know when new design tips and tricks drop. Decor can make or break a small room, choose wisely, and it can elevate your space without adding clutter. Prioritize larger statement pieces over numerous small items. A bold artwork, an oversized clock, or a striking vase can create a focal point without overwhelming the room. Textiles play a pivotal role in tying a room together. Opt for rugs, curtains, and throw pillows in coordinating patterns and colors to establish a cohesive look. Vertical stripes or long, flowing drapes can emphasize height, making your room feel taller. Incorporate greenery to add life and freshness. Hanging planters or small potted plants are perfect for this. For wall art, less is more. Choose 1 or 2 standout pieces that reflect your style rather than covering every inch of wall space. Mirrors and metallic accents can double as decor while enhancing light and depth. And remember, functionality doesn't have to mean sacrificing style. Clever decorative choices can combine both, giving your small room a personality that's uniquely yours. Need more ideas for small spaces? Check out our playlist full of creative and practical small room makeover ideas for every style and budget. Transforming a small room into a functional and stylish space is a journey that combines creativity, practicality, and a willingness to experiment. By selecting furniture thoughtfully, embracing color and light, and incorporating smart storage and impactful decor, you can turn even the tiniest spaces into something remarkable. Small rooms have big potential, and with a little ingenuity, they can rival the grandeur of much larger spaces. Take time to plan, test different layouts, and embrace the process. Let your transformation reflect your personality, style, and needs. Every corner can have a purpose, every wall can tell a story, and every detail can add to the room's charm. Small spaces aren't limitations, they're opportunities for innovation and style. So, roll up your sleeves, get inspired, and start your small room makeover today. With the right approach, your small room can become the heart of your home, a cozy, stylish, and functional haven you'll love to spend time in. Remember, the key to a successful makeover lies in finding the balance between aesthetics and practicality. Don't be afraid to experiment with layouts and mix elements until you find what feels right. Each piece of furniture, every color choice, and every decorative touch should work together to create a harmonious and inviting space. Your small room has the potential to reflect your unique personality and lifestyle. Whether it becomes a quiet retreat, a productive workspace, or a cozy gathering spot, the possibilities are endless. With thoughtful planning and a touch of creativity, you'll find that a small room can have a big impact. Let this makeover be a celebration of your space. Take pride in each step of the transformation, and enjoy the process of turning limitations into opportunities. The end result will not only be a beautifully designed room but also a testament to your resourcefulness and style. Every square inch counts, and the way you use that space tells a story of creativity and ingenuity. From the furniture you select to the colors you choose, let your room reflect your essence. After all, design is as much about personal expression as it is about functionality. As you bring these ideas to life, remember that adaptability is key. The ability to rethink and reshape your room over time ensures it continues to meet your evolving needs. Flexibility doesn't mean sacrificing beauty, it means embracing a dynamic space that grows with you. Celebrate the small victories along the way. Whether it's finding the perfect piece of furniture or arranging your decor just right, these moments of progress add up to a truly inspiring transformation. And don't hesitate to draw inspiration from others, whether through design blogs, videos, or social media. Ultimately, the journey of transforming a small room isn't just about creating a space, it's about creating an experience. Want to bring these small room makeover ideas to life? Find links to all the products featured in this video in the description below to get started on your transformation. It's about stepping into a room that feels like home, a place where you can relax, recharge, and truly be yourself. Embrace the challenge, and the results will speak for themselves. Let your imagination guide you, and remember, even the smallest rooms have the power to leave a lasting impression. With creativity, determination, and a little bit of effort, your small room can become a sanctuary of style and substance that exceeds your expectations.